Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do some baking. Right, so here's what we need. 2 cups of blueberries, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of plain flour. So first thing that I want to do is beat the butter and then gradually add the sugar. And then we are going to add the eggs one at a time. And the vanilla. Now I'm going to mix the dry ingredients and I am going to sift the flour. Now we are going to put them together bit by bit, together with the milk. So I have crushed the blueberries using fork and I just mixed it with our butter. So guys, this recipe is not so sweet, so if you want a bit sweeter you can add probably another 1/4 cup of sugar. So let's now put this into mold and we are going to bake this for half an hour. Here you go. This is our blueberry muffin. This is really great for snack, good for coffee or chai latte. and your kids will like this. See you in my next video.